Don't make these mistakes if you're a beginner on Redbubble. Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a list of common mistakes most beginners make in print-on-demand business in general, and especially on Redbubble. So in this video, I'd like to show you these mistakes and how to avoid them all. And now let's get started with the first mistake, which is the background. When you finish making your design and upload it to Redbubble, thus you will find your design has a background, and definitely it ruins both product and design as well. So the first step today for you is you have to upload your design with a transparent background or without any colored background. And you can do that in your design editing tool like Canva, Create, Photopea, Photoshop, Illustrator, and so on. Or you can remove the background of your design externally in some websites like Slazzer, remove.pg, and so on. And I have talked about before how to remove the background of your design in some amazing websites. You'll find this video below in the first comment. So the first mistake you have to avoid: upload your design with a transparent background. And the second one is the color of your products. Unfortunately, on Redbubble, you will find a lot of products lack of the variation of color options. For example, you will find some products like shower curtain, iPhone case, masks have one color that is the default color you have put while uploading your design. So you have to choose the default color of your products like black, gray, yellow, pink, and so on that is coordinated with that design colors. Okay. And the mistake number 3 is the wrong position of your designs. Most beginners, after uploading their designs here on Redbubble, they realize that they had to optimize their designs correctly in all Redbubble products. Thus, you have to put your design in an appropriate place, in the right position in every single product template as possible as you can in order not to miss any product sale at all. And that point takes us to the next mistake, the mistake number 4, which is about making one-sided mug. And the mugs are awesome products people love purchasing to have their lovely drinks in, like tea, cappuccino, latte, and so on. So you don't have to make your mug with one single design in the left or in the right. You can make 2 designs in both sides, the left and the right side of your mug, whether these designs are similar or different ones. And to know how to do that, I have talked about that trick to make your mug with 2 different designs or 2 similar designs on both sides in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And let's move on to the next mistake. The mistake number 5 is the unclear stickers. And of course, stickers are the best-selling item here on Redbubble because people love purchasing stickers to decorate anything like walls, fridges, school stuff, and so on. Besides, it's low price compared to other items on Redbubble. And as I always say, you have to enable all products on Redbubble as possible as you can because you don't know what people search for. For example, you can find a customer could like your design in a sticker, not in t-shirt, and so on. Hence, you have to activate the sticker item here for every single design you upload on Redbubble. Okay. Hence, if your design has some white fonts, some white edges, some white graphics, you have to replace this design particularly in a sticker to make your stickers clear as much as possible. Okay, and the mistake number 6 is a copy word in your title. If you want to upload a new design and copy all things of a previous design, including title, description, tags, and its position in all Redbubble products, you have to remove the copy word in the title of the new design. Because regardless of being unprofessional, there is no need to tell anyone that this design is a copy of another one. Okay. And the mistake number 7 is using irrelevant and spammy tags. And of course, tags mainly big play role to make your designs to be found in different search queries. Thus, they give you more opportunities to get more clicks, to get more views, to get sales. So don't use tags that are not related to your design. For example, if you design about swimming, don't use keywords or tags about autism or about birthdays and so on and so forth. Don't repeat a specific keyword more times assuming that would help you more to rank high on search results. It's considered as a spammy behavior. Don't use some sensitive words like F word, sarcastic, lips, kiss, and so on, except if you design in a mature category. Okay, so please use only relevant keywords, related keywords to your design. Okay. And the mistake number 8 is an activation of kids cloth. If your design is suitable for kids clothes, please activate them right now, and you can do it easily by going to the first template, standard print clothing. Just click over that, edit, and going to the next option. And here you will find your kids clothes are not checked in the default mode. So if design like that is suitable for kids clothes, just check them all. As you see here, toddler pullover hoodie, kids pullover hoodie, and kids clothes, and just apply changes. Okay. And the mistake number 9 today is about the absence from Redbubble. Just we can say that the key to be more successful on print on demand and Redbubble is the continuity. You have to be always active on Redbubble. Don't be absent for a long time. Just continue to upload your designs in niches and micro niches and optimize your designs, including title, description, tags, and promote your designs regularly on social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, to get more clicks, to get more sales. And to know how to promote your designs and your products professionally on different social media, I have talked about that in a big playlist. You'll find this big playlist below in the first comment. And we can end with the mistake number 10, and it's a well-known mistake, which is a copyright infringement and the violation of Redbubble rules. Don't steal any design, don't use copyrighted graphics, don't use copyrighted words and names and so on. And if you want to know how to get creative ideas to make your beautiful designs, you can check out that video below in the first comment. Thus, I try to sum up the most common mistakes most beginners make on Redbubble, so you have to avoid them to be a featured artist on Redbubble to make more sales. And of course, there are some other mistakes like using inactive PayPal, using automation tools, using weak title, weak tags, weak description, and so on. And of course, in the channel you will find big playlists regarding Redbubble tips and tricks, Redbubble promotion on social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Imager, and so on and so forth. And of course, you will find a full tutorial in the full course for beginners from 0 to hero. So take the action now to be a professional seller and to be a professional artist on Redbubble. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave the comment section. See you in the next video.